In the last session, we learned how to control video generation. Today, I will teach you how to add media to AI video. At Rendora's Generate interface, you can upload images, videos, PowerPoint presentations, and other materials, making your video visuals more vibrant and achieving better overall effects. In Rendora, different scenes are equipped with different styles of screens to showcase the content of your materials better. For example, there are ultra-wide screens for large stages, standard screens for small stages and other studios. Floating screens to display materials are also available for indoor, outdoor, or workspace studios. Despite having no screens in Studio Preview, it's worth noting, a clip can only upload one material. So if you happen to have more materials, just divide your scripts into pieces and add the corresponding material into the clips to match perfectly with the scripts. So how do you add these materials? Rendora provides two methods for adding materials. If your materials are all prepared in advance, you can click on Upload under the left-hand asset to upload them all at once. And then simply drag the materials into the clips where you want them to appear. Not to mention, if your presentation or training materials are in PowerPoint format, simply upload them directly. When adding materials, they will automatically be arranged into clips according to the PowerPoint pages, saving you tons of time. Isn't it convenient? But what if only a few texts need to match the material? Just select the specific segment, click on Upload on the card, and upload the material needed. If you'd like to replace the material, simply drag and drop New Material from Asset, or select the clip and click on Replace. Additionally, the materials you uploaded to Rendora can be further edited. Hover over the edit icon and click to enter the material editing interface, where you can do all sorts of editing, such as zooming, filling, cropping, and cutting. If your material is a video, you can also adjust the speed too. That's all for this session. In the next session, we'll learn how to control and edit camera shots. See you next time.